Explore unknown interactions faster with Biacore CapTag Capture Kit. Our all-in-one reagent kit makes it possible to produce label-free interaction kinetics data within 1 day. Follow our easy-to-use kit instructions to set up your experiment. No pH or regeneration scouting required. Biacore CapTag conjugation steps can be completed away from the instrument. This allows for more efficient use of instrument time. The streamlined interaction analysis process provides comprehensive and reliable data faster, allowing you to dedicate more time to progressing your research. Our all-in-one reagent kit is suitable for use with a diverse range of proteins. The sensor chip can be used over 150 times, minimizing running cost. Explore new horizons with Biacore CapTag Capture Kit.